Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We're going to start with grade 6 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 6 maths and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter two-dimensional figures, and the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are parts of a circle, graph, triangles, and quadrilaterals. Then we'll start the new chapter. It is symmetry and transformation, and the lessons are symmetry. The next one is reflection, rotation, and translation. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, the next one is okay. The next lesson is parts of a circle. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, which figure shows a diameter? We have here given here. We have shown so many figures. We need to see which one is the diameter. So which is the correct option? Okay, so the diameter would be the second one would be the diameter. Got it? A line that touch the both the ends of the circle, it would be the diameter. Got it? Here is the definition of the diameter. Just look at this one. The diagram correctly shows a diameter. That would be the diameter. Got it? Then just look at the second one. The diameter shows an arc, so it would be the arc. Got it? Okay, the diagram shows a chord. That is a chord. Got it? The one that is passing through the center of the circle is the diameter. Got it? The one that doesn't passes through the diameter of this center of the circle would be the chord. Got it? And the one that touches the center of the circle and any point on the circle is known as radius. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which figure shows the center? So which is the center of the circle? This is the center of the circle. Got it? A point that is exactly in the middle of the circle would be the center of the circle. That is in the center of the circle. Okay, which figure shows an arc? Which is the correct option? Which would be the arc? The first one is the arc. Got it? The second one is the radius of the circle. The first one is the arc on the circle. Okay, which figure shows a sector? Which is the sector? Sector is the portion of the circle. Got it? You can see this one is the is a sector on the circle. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, which figure shows a diameter? Which is the diameter of the circle? 1 or 2? A line that passes through the center of the circle is the diameter. Got it? The other one is the option number 1 is the diameter, and option number 2 is the radius of the circle. Got it? Okay, which figure shows a chord? Which is the chord? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 1 is the chord. The one that doesn't passes through the center of the circle is the chord. Okay, which figure shows a central angle? Which is the correct option? Central angle means an angle on the center. So which is the correct option, 1 or 2? It would be the second one, that is the central angle. Got it? Okay, which figure shows a radius? Which is the correct option? Which one would be the radius? Yes, option number 1 is the radius. Got it? 2 would be the diameter and 1 would be the radius. Radius is the one that touch any point on the circle and the center of the circle. That would be the radius. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one would be graph triangles and quadrilaterals. So you are given the vertices. You just have to plot the vertices on the graph and join the points to make a triangle or the quadrilateral. Got it? Let's just start with the first example. You can see here. Graph the triangle with vertices 1, 1, 3, 7, 0, 4. So I'm going to plot these vertices on this graph. Got it? Just look at the 1, 1. X is 1, Y is 1. Here is the point 1 and 1. So this is the point 1 and 1. Got it? This is the point 1 and 1. Okay, then you have 3 and 7. X is 3, or the first one is always the X vertex and second one is the Y. So X is 3 and Y is 7. Here is 7. So 3 and 7, just the, here you have 3 and 7. Got it? Okay, then you have X is 0 and Y is 4. Here you have X is 0 and Y 4. This is the point where X is 0 and Y is 4. So you have to graph the triangle. Just connect these 3 points and make a triangle. Just make the straight lines. Got it? They are not the straight, the one I am making. So you have to make the straight lines. Got it? That is actually the triangle you have to make using these vertices. You can see this is actually the triangle. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, graph the triangle 1, 1, 0, 7 and 10, 0. So you have two of the, let's just see. X is 1, 1, 0, 7, 10, 7. 1, 1, no, that is not the 1, 1. The second one is the correct one. You can see this one is 1, 1. This one is 0, 7. And this one is 10, 0. Got it? So second option is the correct one. Got it? You can just match these vertices from the options. Okay, graph the triangle with the vertices 4, 4, 9, 8 and 8, 6. Okay, 4, 4. 4, 4, 9, 8, x is 9, y it is 8 and 8, 6. Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? All the vertices of this triangle match with the given in the question, so it would be the correct option. Got it? Okay, graph the triangle with vertices 1, 1, 3, 7 and 0, 4. So which is the correct option? The one that is the one we made on the tutorial. 1, 1, 0, 4 and 3, 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is graph the triangle with the vertices 3, 3, 6, 7, 7, 2. 3, 3, 6, 7, 7, 2. 3, 3. This one is not the correct option. Got it? You can see this one 3, 3. This would be 6, 7. And this would be 7, 2. Got it? The correct option is the second one. Graph the triangle with the vertices 5, 7, 9, 6 and 2, 1. So which is the correct option? 5, 7. 5, 7, 9, 6, 2, 1. 2, 1, 5, 7 and 9, 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, graph the triangle with the vertices 0, 3, 0, 9, 5, 5. So which is the correct option? 0, 3, 0, 9 and 5, 5. 0, 3, 0, 9 and this would be 5, 5. So option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, graph the triangle with vertices 0, 10, 9, 3 and 10, 10. So which is the correct option? 0, 3, 0, 10, 9, 3 and here you have 0, 10. This one is 9, 3 and this one is 10, 10. So option number 1, 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Now we're going to start the new chapter that would be symmetry and transformations. Let's just start with the new lesson. Here is the new chapter, symmetry and transformations. So let's just start with the lesson. We're going to start with the very first lesson, that is symmetry. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? So line of symmetry means if you are dividing the figure into two parts, both the parts are exactly same. Got it? So symmetry means if you're going to cut the figure from this one, is both the parts same? No, they both are not same. That means the dotted line is not a line of symmetry. Got it? Lines of symmetry is the line that divides the shape figure into two parts and both the parts are exactly same. Got it? Okay, you can see this one. Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? If you divide the figure, or either you can fold a picture along the dotted line, it would be exactly same. The two sides will match up exactly. So the dotted line is a line of symmetry. Or either you can say if you divide the figure into two parts from the dotted line, both the parts are exactly same. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? No, if you divide the if you cut the figure from the dotted line, both the parts are exactly not same. So this would not be a line of symmetry. So the answer is no. What is the dotted line a line of symmetry? So which is the correct option? If you divide it by the line, dotted line, the both the parts are exactly same. Got it? Yes, this is the line of symmetry. Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? No, the line doesn't divide the figure into two exactly same parts. So the correct option is no. Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes, it is the line of symmetry. It can divide the figure into two exactly same parts. So that would be the line of symmetry. Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes, it is not the line of symmetry. The line doesn't divide the figure into two exactly parts. So no, that is not the line of symmetry. Got it? Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes, it is the line of symmetry. It can divide the figure into two exactly same parts. Got it? Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? No, that is not a line of symmetry. It cannot divide the figure into two exactly same parts. So it is not a line of symmetry. Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes, it would be the line of symmetry. It can divide the figure into two exactly same parts. So yes, it is a line of symmetry. Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? No, it is not the line of symmetry. It doesn't divide the line into two equal parts. It doesn't divide the figure into two exactly same parts. So it would be no. Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Yes, it would be line of symmetry. Got it? It would be yes. It can divide the figure into two exactly same parts. Got it? The correct option is yes. Okay, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? No, it is not a line of symmetry. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is reflection, rotation, and translation. Let's just start with rotation. So reflection, rotation, and translation. What combination of transformations is shown below? Okay, let's just start with the first one. Use a reflection to turn shape 1 into shape 2. If you can see, the 1 and 2 are exactly reflection of each other by a vertical line. Got it? Use a reflection to turn shape 1 into shape 2. The image shows a reflection. Reflect the shape across a vertical line. So use a translation. So the first one is you have a reflection along a vertical line, and then use a translation to turn shape 2 into shape 3, which this image shows a translation. That would be the translation. You translated it 4 unit down, 1 2 3 4, 4 unit down, and move from 1 2 3 4. It would be 4 unit down and 4 unit left. So to go from shape 1 to shape 2 to shape 3, use a reflection and then translation. Got it? First we applied reflection and then translation. Got it? Okay, the next one is what combination of the transformations is shown below. You can see 1 and 2 are the reflection of each other. Got it? So 1 and 2 are the reflection of each other, you can see here. Got it? And shape shape 3 is the rotation of shape 2. If you can rotate the shape 2, then that would be the option number 3. And you rotated the figure 90-degree counterclockwise. Counterclockwise means opposite direction to the clock. Got it? It would be 90-degree counterclockwise. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Let's see how it works. Okay, what combination of transformation is shown? Okay, you can see 1 and 2 are the reflection of each other, isn't it? So the first one would be reflection. Got it? And then from 2 to 3, reflection. The first and 2 are the reflection of each other. Got it? Then you can see the third one. That would be the translation. So it would be reflection and then translation. So option number O, it would be reflection and then rotation. Got it? Figure 3 is the rotation of 2. It is the reflection and the rotation. Okay, what combination of transformations are shown below? So which is the correct option? From 1 to 2, it would be translation. You just moved 1 as it is here. So it would be the translation. Got it? The first one is the translation. And the second one is the third one is the rotation of second one. Sorry, reflection of second one. So it would be translation and then reflection. First you move from 1 to 2, so that would be the translation. You translated 1 from 1 to 2, and then you reflected from 2 to 3, so it would be translation and then reflection. Okay, what combination of transformations is shown below? Okay, you can see that just from 1 to 2 it would be just simple a translation. Got it? And from 2 to 3 it would be rotated. That would be just a rotation. From 2 to 3 is the rotation. So it would be translation and then rotation. It would be translation first and then rotation. Got it? Okay, the combination of transformations is shown below. So which is the correct option? From 1 to 2 it would be rotation, and from 2 to 3 it would be reflection. So it is rotation and then reflection. Option number 4 is the correct option. Okay, what combination of transformations is shown below? So which is the correct option? From 1 to 2 it would be rotation. Got it? And from 2 to 3 it would be translation. So it would be translation. It would be rotation and translation. Got it? Okay, what combination of transformations is shown below? Just look at the 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are the reflection. 1 is the reflection of 2. Got it? So it would be reflection, and then you move from 2 to 3. So it would be then translation. So it would be reflection and translation. Got it? Okay, what combination of transformations is shown below? From 1 to 2, it would be reflection, and from 2 to 3, it would be translation. So it is reflection and then translation. Got it? Oh, reflection and rotation. It would be reflection and rotation. Okay, what combination of transformations is shown below? So which is the correct option? From 1 to 2, it would be translation. Got it? And from 2 to 3, it would be from 1 to 2 it would be translation, and from 2 to 3 it would be reflection. So it would be translation and then reflection. Okay, the combination of transformations from 1 to 2, you just move from 1 to 2, so it would be translation, and then from 2 to 3 it would be rotation. It would be translation and then rotation. Got it? Okay, which combination of transformations is shown below? From 1 to 2 it would be from 1 to 2 it would be rotation, and from 2 to 3 it would be translation. So that would be rotation and then translation. Got it? O, it would be rotation and then reflection. O from 2 to 3, it would be reflection. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. So it would be the short lessons we are working on today. We're working on grade 6 maths. Chapter we have started with two-dimensional figures. And the lessons we have to cover are parts of a circle, then graph, triangles, and quadrilaterals. Then we have to start a new chapter that is symmetry and transformations. And the lessons we just cover are symmetry, reflection, rotation, and translation. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. It would be okay. Please make sure if you have any question, please ask. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you have any question, please ask. Otherwise, I'm going to end the session. Okay, that's all. Yes, you can ask question. Okay, in which grade you are? For which grade you have to prepare? You can find so many. You can find so many EQAO from the previous years on the internet. Just search, write your grade name and search for the EQO. Yes, search for EQAO grade 6 practice questions. You can find 2 to 3 or either 4 EQAO practice questions. Do the practice questions as many as you can. You can even contact any tutor on the Skype. They will find you EQAO tests for you. And you have to do the practice questions. You can try them or on you can try them on your own. If you can't do, you can contact any tutor. You can contact any tutor, they will find it for you, or either you can find it for you yourself. Got it? Any other question? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.